showing you 3 basic things that you need in course of your photography career. First of all, I want to let you know why you need a Sony 70-200 G Master lens. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to balance your strobe light. Here I'm using the Godox AD600 Pro. I'll show you how to balance it with the sunlight whenever you are shooting outdoor. Thirdly, I'm also going to tell you why you need the Godox AD600 Pro. Before we go ahead, I want to introduce you to my model today, no other person than Fauzia. She is currently rocking this beautiful white dress from Mavs, Nigeria. You can check out Mavs on Instagram if you're interested in picking up a dress like this. They also offer nationwide and worldwide delivery. How we got this particular location, I was kind of interested in that G-guard that is just right behind her because she's putting on this white gorgeous dress. And in course of showing why or teaching why you need the 70-200 G Master, I kind of find this G-guard located in this slum area, and this particular bad guy here is going to be isolating my model from the entire vicinity. But I still want the G-guard to be shown in the background, a bit, so that it still gives more life to the image instead of just blurring out everything. Though with this guy I can still blur out everything, but I wouldn't want everything blown out. Without much talks, I want us to first of all start with the Godox AD600 Pro. Why do you need a light like the AD600 Pro? Over here in Africa, where the sun is normally very high, whenever you are shooting outdoor, like this hour of the day, it's very sunny and the temperature is reading at about 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. You need a high-powered strobe light that will be able to overpower the ambient light. If you take a look at her right now, you can see the sun hitting her from the back, and what you want to do is the shadow that has been casted in front of her here, you want to fill it up with a good light. If you use a low-powered strobe, you won't be able to overcome the sunlight. So you want a high-powered light, and that is why the Godox AD600 Pro is your go-to strobe light. So at this point, before I start shooting, I'll have to first of all expose for my background. When I'm done balancing and then I see some kind of light hitting on her back and more shadows in front of her, then I turn on my AD600 Pro, which will now balance the ambient light. But not to forget that my toy just right behind is still my point of focus that I want in my background. So we are kind of playing with all whites here, from the foreground, which is the white guy here, to my middle ground, which is the white here, and to my background, which is the white G-guard. So why do you need the 70-200? The 70-200, like I said, is very good for isolating your background, and this particular guy here is very sharp. And the most important thing that I like about this lens is the fact that it is very lightweight. As a matter of fact, whenever I'm done shooting images with this particular lens, I even find it difficult saying I want to color grade my images, because the color that comes out of this guy is superb, is great, and you don't want to miss this particular lens. You can check it out on Instagram. Follow Camdy Cameras if you're interested in buying. And for other people living other places apart from Africa, you can also use the link down in the description if you're interested in picking this particular lens. So let's set my light for this particular model, rather. All right, so Fauzia, you move forward a bit. Okay. Please hold this. So I just want the softbox to come down a bit. So ahead. Yeah, that's it. So you step back a bit. Yeah, that's okay. All right, go and hold the light stand. We don't have a sandbag there. So my light pattern, I'm just setting my light flat above her face, and by the time I'm ready to shoot, I also introduce the reflector that will kind of reflect the light coming from here and fill the shadows under our chin. Use my C-stand there, but I don't have a sandbag for this. So first thing now, I want to expose for my background. So I think at f. I'm using an aperture of f6.3 because I want my G-guard in the background to show a bit. So this is what I'm getting for my background. Okay, so let me try zooming all in. All right, so that's the result for what I've gotten, you know, just setting only sunlight and my model without the light. So I want to introduce my light now, and I want to be sure the group, that's group A. I'm using the Godox X3 trigger here. If you're interested in buying, you can also check the link down in the description. So I'm starting at 1/8 to see what I'll achieve. Okay. So I forgot to change my white balance. I'm taking it back to daylight. Yeah, so I'm okay with daylight. Let me check my color profile. Okay, my picture profile is turned off. Okay, and then my camera, this is a Sony A7 IV. In case you are interested in buying, you can also use the link down in the description. All right, so you don't need to pause yet because I'm still setting. By the time I'm done setting my light, I don't want you exhausted. All right. Step forward a bit, just a bit. Yeah, all right. Okay, so there's a lot of shadows right now under her chin, so that's when I get to introduce my reflector. Okay, all right. All right, move this way a bit. That's okay. Yeah. Nice. She's got sleepy eyes. All right, so now you can see with the reflector. The reflector has kind of filled up the shadows under her chin. Nice. Okay, so I'm good for you now. We can start posting. So one thing I want you to do now, you can just step your right leg in front of your left, your right in front, cross it, yeah, and then tiptoe. Just tip it. Just on the right, yeah, just tip. That's nice. All right. So yeah, raise the two hands up a bit. Nice. Okay. So let's see what we get from here. So currently my aperture is standing at f5.6. My shutter speed is 1/500, ISO of 125, and my power up there is standing at 1/8. All right, again. So I want my G-guard showing just a bit. So I'm taking my aperture to 8.0. Nice. I'm taking down my shutter speed to 400. Okay. All right, so just turn this way a bit. No, to your left. Good. Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, once you take the hand higher up, good. Okay. So now you can see that the light is kind of hitting on her properly. The sunlight is on her back, giving a backlight, and the AD600 is lighting very well in front of her. So at the end of the day, we've achieved a 2-light setup using the Godox AD600 Pro, which is over there, and the sunlight that is hitting her from behind. So now I want to take a full shot. I have to take this reflector away. All right, so move this way a bit. Yeah, you can just stand behind and then use that small stone there as a stepping stone. That's no, yeah, step back. Yeah, step back. So your left now will be in front. So you cross it up. Good. That's the idea. That's the idea. Yes, please. All right, push it this way. No, this way. Yeah, that's it. So in order to make it more pronounced, my toy just right behind there, I want to push my model closer to the car. Let's see what we achieve. You want a baby shower? All right, come on in. Come on in. So she wants a baby shower image, and I'm going to give her for free. Come on in. So you're welcome to street photography. All right, one hand down. Okay, one up. All right, so let's do this. Just turn one side to your right. Good. Yeah. No. Okay, let's turn this way because I want the sunlight hitting from her back. All right. So just move this way. Yeah, that's it.
Should I look down?
No, you look at me. Nice. All right, I want your right hand to wrap the entire cloth. Yeah. So take the hand down, and so that they will mush. So that, yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah, take it down. Smile. I want to see your teeth more. Good, nice. I'm not seeing your bump yet. So just face that way. Turn your body that way. Good. Yeah. All right, look at your baby now. Nice. Okay. All right. So how do I send it to you? WhatsApp?
Yes.
All right. Just around the corner here. All right, type your number. Just a free image for her. Let me know what you think about the image. It's coming up now. Precious baby bump. All right, I'll save you precious baby bump.
I'm expecting it. If I flash me so that I'll call you.
No, I'll actually send it. I'll send it to you.
So just flash.
Sure.
Just send, don't flash.
Sure. You're welcome. So I think it's better I don't give her my number. She was asking for my number, but I wouldn't want because I don't think I will rest. So it's better I give her a surprise by sending her her image later. But what do you think about the baby bump pictures coming up right now on your screen? So earlier I was showing you how to balance the ambient light, which is currently coming from the sunlight, with your light strobe, which is the Godox AD600 Pro. But I'm also interested in this car, like I said, so I want her closer to the car. We would have done it maybe further away, but the tree right here is kind of blocking the sunlight coming. So for now, I just asked my mother to move closer to the car, so we won't have that ambient light hitting her on her back anymore. But however, let me see what I'll be able to achieve with this. I came out with just one light, so we'll just see what we can achieve from here. Otherwise, I would have set another light just behind her to give, another illumination from her back, to bring more drama. But let's see what we achieve from here. Okay. All right, let's do this. Good. Yeah, like that. Just play it like that. You can just release the hands. Yeah, just free them. Yes. What's wrong with this man? All right. Smile. Smile. More smiles. Nice. All right, so let's have a headshot before we leave for our makeup artist. Turn your body to one side. Yeah, move forward. Good. So that's a wrap. And now we are currently done with the photo shoot. Let me know what you think about these images, what you think about my light setup, what you think about the photo shoot down in the comment section. And not to forget my model, Fauzia. A special shout out to her, my makeup artist, no other than Mabel. You can check them out all on Instagram using the link down in the description. And don't forget to download the raw files that I will be dropping down in the description as well. Download them, retouch. Let's have a retouching battle. Let me see who's going to be the winner at the end of the day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't get to miss my upcoming videos. And if at all you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sparing a few minutes of your time to watch this video. Thank you.